Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I am going to be doing a little bit of a haul or unboxing. One of these items is actually from the Coach store, which is this one here. And this one I purchased off the Saks Fifth Avenue. It came in this box right here. So I'm going to show you these two items. They are very similar, but I am looking to keep only one. So this one is the one I got from the Coach store. So let me go ahead and open this up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. Alright, so this comes in this packaging right here. This is a pink metallic card holder. And it has the area on top where you put the cards in. It has a key ring. I have quite a few of these in several different colors. This has like a aged gold hardware with like a black finish on it. It's kind of small compared to my other ones that I have. And on the back it has these card slot. It has a slot where you can put your ID, and then there are two card slots right here where you can put additional cards. And then there is one extra pocket right here on the back where you can put additional cards. It's a very cute piece. I bought this because the piece that I'm going to show next, which is this one. Let me go ahead and open this one up. This is the one from Saks Fifth Avenue. I originally wanted this one from the Coach website, but it was not available, or I got to it a little bit late, so I missed out on it. Not really sure. But I wanted this one, and I was able to find it on like Dillard's, but they wanted too much. They wanted $45 for it, and this was $38 on Coach's website. And so they had this at Saks Fifth Avenue, which is where I got it from, and I missed out on the pink. They had sold out of them by the time I tried to get to it, and they finally came back in stock a few days ago, and so I went on ahead and jumped back on it. This is another zip card holder, and it's a little bit bigger than this one. Let me put those two together so you can kind of see. You can't see it that way, but you can see it's not that much bigger. Now that I think about it, I guess it's taller. Let's turn it around. The one from the actual Coach website is a lot bigger, so I definitely wanted to compare these two in person and see how they fare. So let's unzip that. I love this L little side zipper thing. It kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton one. So I wanted to see how they compare, because I wanted to get something metallic that went with this purse right here. This is my Chanel, I'm not really sure what this name is. I have to put this on the screen on how to pronounce this. Metallic, something like that. Metallic gold purse, metallic goatskin purse. This has the card slots on the back. This has 5 card slots on the back. And I have another Coach wallet that is very similar to this. I love this style with the card slots on the outside where they are exposed, so I can get to them a lot easier. And so I wanted you all to help me to decide which one do you like best. Do you like this one the best or this one best? Which one would you pick? So let me move this box and show you how this looks against this purse. Okay, so here are the two card holders in question, and here is the purse. Let's open her up. She is stuffed. Okay, so that's how she looks on the inside. And the light that's behind my camera, I have a window behind this camera. It is pretty bright, so the colors are not showing really how they should look. It looks a little bit lighter, but this pink is actually like a darker pink color. I actually thought it was purple when I bought the bag, but when I got it in person, I saw that it was blue. I got this on Fashion File, and I'll link the unboxing of this item so you all can watch that. It was a pretty creative video. You can see kind of how that matches So there are different material. This is a grained leather, I think, and this is a goat skin, so this has a texture to it. You can see that. It's so pretty, you guys. It's so stunning in person. And then of course this has that crinkly material. And if you can see that, it looks like a blue and pink, like a teal and pink. I thought that this was like a dark blue and purple in person. And I'll insert the images of what this looked like from Fashion File's website when I purchased it, okay? So let's get to showing how this looks with this bag. It doesn't take up a lot of room. So I think either of these would be a really good choice. Make sure I got that in there good. Okay. So I think in terms of fitting in this bag, they both are very slim and they would fit in this bag pretty nicely. Let me get another wallet and kind of compare so I can show you guys what this actually matches up to. Right, so here are my other Coach wallets that I have. And I have this one in several colors. I have it in pink and green as well, but I wanted to show you the difference in these two. I like this one. They actually don't make this size anymore. All the new ones are in this size, but you can see kind of how those compare in terms of size. It's a lot longer and it's taller. And I can't find my recto verso. I have the slightest idea where that's at. I think my daughter got to it. This is the one that I'm currently using. I have all my cards back here in the back, and I use this little pouch for coins. This one does not have a the little key thing, but I also put extra cards in here. I have my insurance card in here. I have a gift card in here, and I actually have like some folded cash in here. So I love this thing. Like, this is definitely by far one of my favorite wallets that I have from Coach, and I'm definitely loving this style. So naturally I was gravitating towards this one here, but I wanted to show you a comparison of how these fare. And this one, of course, is longer. But I love this L zip on here. And I thought that this one had a key ring in it, but I guess I'm not correct. That's the reason I wanted to get this and show it against my recto verso. The recto verso is designed very similar to this, but it has the extra pockets that this one doesn't. And it also has that key ring to loop it onto other items. This one does not come with a key ring. But this is my video. I don't want to make this too long. Just kind of wanted to show you comparison to my other wallets that I have. What do you guys think? Which one of these two should I go with? Which one do you like the best? And there's the front again. There's the back again. And here are these two next to this purse. And here's how these both look next to this purse. Alright, you guys, that ends it for this video. Let me know which one you think. Which one should I keep? Which one should I return? Thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.